students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to give you the theme of the poem Earthen Pots composed by O.N.V. Kurup, a famous Malayalam poet. This poem is in the syllabus of BA Part 3rd English Literature Paper 1st Unit B. This is my second video lecture on this topic. The poem Earthen Pots was originally written by O.N.V. Kurup in Malayalam language. It has been translated from Malayalam into English by K. Sridharan Nair. In this poem, Kurup has used the symbol of earthen pots to talk about human beings who are seen as merely a mass. They have no significant value in themselves. By implication, the poet suggests the concept of man as essentially a thing of earth. The poet begins with two empty earthen pots which are lying very close. They are jostling with each other for a long time. These are gazing at each other in continued excitement. They are stored in the potter's courtyard. Then the poet describes not only two earthen pots but hundreds of them waiting to be sold to the prospective customer. There are many people who drink costly red wine in costly goblets. These people may hold the earthen pots in scorn because the earthen pots are made of mud for the poor people and the simple people. These pots are cheap and may break easily. However, those pots are used for storing pure, clear and unpolluted water, which is the greatest gift of Mother Earth. Even the potter who made these earthen pots does not know about their ultimate fate. Hundreds of these pots are waiting to be tested quality-wise and then to be taken by the unknown buyer. Only one pot is picked up at one time, and the remaining ones are filled with a deep sense of sorrow and loss. The remaining pieces do not know when their turn will come to be picked up, when they will depart, and which piece would be the first to leave. Really, the poet has equated the earthen pots to human beings. The simile holds good because the earthen pots and the human beings are made of earth. Like the earthen pots, the human beings are also cheap and may easily break. The poet has underlined the concept of man as essentially a thing of earth. Human beings, like the earthen pots, do not know when they shall be the first to leave. The earthen pots lament when one of them leaves them. Similarly, when a man dies, the survivors lament for them. Thus, the poem has a deeper meaning than the surface meaning. The symbols are perfect, and the comparison between the earthen pots and human beings is most appropriate and suggestive. So, the poem Earthen Pots speaks to the fact that the pots described in the poem lack identity and significant value given there are many pots about. The poet's Kurup choice of words used in the poem speaks to the theme of lack of identity or a search for identity. The words in the poem Identify the poet's search for identity and knowledge, empty, not quite sure, inexhaustible, dismiss us, simply, cheap, hundreds like us, woe, loss, and depart. The poet's story, as told within the lines of the poem, explains the fears, apprehensions, and self-doubts the poets feel as the way to be chosen to be used. Not feeling any different from another, the poets seem to understand what it is like to fail to have an identity over having one. The poets also understand the difference between themselves and the golden goblets, which are used for drinking wine. The poets have been dismissed by those who have chosen the goblets because of their contempt and scorn for the earthen pots. The poets therefore understand the social class structure, the worthlessness associated with being cheap and easily broken, and the lack of individual identity. So, in this poem, the human beings, like the mud pots, have unknown destinies. The poet explains these ideas through the earthen pots. Out of 100 earthen pots, only one at a time is bought, leaving behind the sorrowing remaining ones. They do not know who will be the first to leave now. The same thing applies to human beings. We don't know who will depart from us the next time, leaving behind others to lament for him. So the poem has a hidden deeper meaning. There are two layers in the poem. The poem is written in blank verse, hence there is no rhyme scheme in it. On the whole, the poem is memorable because of the similar fate of the earthen pots and human beings. So students, this was the proper theme of the poem Earthen Pots, composed by O.N.V. Kurup. And in the next video lecture, I will explain you the entire poem. That's all for the day. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.